Does VLOOKUP ever fail, even when your formula looks correct? That's because real Excel data is messy. In this video, I'll show you how to extract the right text and run a perfect lookup. No helper columns, no manual cleanup. Let's get started. On our sales sheet, column A contains full product descriptions such as electronics laptop, furniture chair, and grocery milk. This is exactly how data often comes from sales systems. Now, on a separate sheet called categories, we only have clean category names, electronics, furniture, and grocery. Let's see what happens when we apply a standard VLOOKUP. Type equals VLOOKUP. Select the lookup value, choose the table array, and make it absolute by pressing F4. Enter the column index number, and set false for an exact match. Close the formula, and press enter. Instead of a result, Excel returns an error. Here's where the problem starts. When we try to use a normal VLOOKUP, Excel attempts to match the entire text. So it looks for electronics laptop in a list that only contains electronics, and that match simply does not exist. That's exactly why we need a smarter formula. And in the next step, I'll show you how to fix this problem without changing the original data. Before we use VLOOKUP, we need to solve one key issue: our text isn't clean enough yet. In real-world Excel files, product names and descriptions usually contain multiple words, but lookup tables typically match only the first word. So our first step is to extract the first word directly inside the formula, without using helper columns. Type equals left. Select cell E2 that contains our text, then add a comma. Now type search. Inside quotes, type a space. Add a comma, and select A2 again. Add an ampersand to join the text, then type another space inside quotes. Now subtract 1, and close the formula. Adding a space to the end prevents errors, and keeps the formula safe. Search looks for the position of the first space, but space tells Excel where the first word ends. It returns a number, not text. Subtracting 1 removes the space itself. Left extracts text starting from the left side. Press enter, and Excel now intelligently pulls just the first word from the text. Clean, reliable, and ready for VLOOKUP. No helper columns, no manual edits. Now that we have a clean and reliable lookup value, go back to your formula and update it with VLOOKUP. Your full formula should look like this. Press enter, and you'll immediately see the correct tax rate returned. Now simply copy the formula down the column to apply it to the rest of your data. Next, let's calculate the tax amount. Click in the tax amount cell. Type equals, select the sales amount. Now type an asterisk to multiply, and then select the tax rate. Press enter and copy the formula down. Finally, calculate the total amount. Type equals, sales amount plus tax amount. Press enter, and you're done. Change one tax rate in the category sheet and watch what happens. Every related tax and total update instantly. Before you go, drop a comment and tell me, did this formula make VLOOKUP clearer for you? If it did, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching.